Welcome back to Mobility Solutions, where today we are unboxing Pride's newest chair in the VivaLift Collection. This is the Premier, and it's packed with some awesome features.
There's some speakers.
Oh, when you're not next to me.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solution, liftchairusa.com, and I have the brand new VivaLift Premier model PLR5900 from Pride. They just launched this at Medtrade. It's something different. You've never seen this before. It's got immersive speaker system. So basically 3D speaker system. And I think it's really cool, and there's a lot of benefits to having that speaker system. The speakers are all built into the chair. It's also got bass, got vibration. You could turn the treble up, bass up, the vibration down. It's Bluetooth, so you can Bluetooth to your phone, you can Bluetooth to your TV. There's a lot of stuff you can do with it.
But before we discuss all the features, let's see that unboxing and assembly.
Could just go ahead and cut this bottom, don't you think, Brandon? Labeled 1.
Good on my side.
Thank you. It's clipped. All the air bladders and stuff. The controls. So look how easy to work on here. Some speakers. And underneath it, you got a big one too. Everything's pretty much color coded.
Sorry guys, our file got corrupted, but the wires are very easy to connect. All of the power wires are color coordinated, and the speaker wires have different size connectors, allowing only the correct wires to match up to one another.
That's accessories for different things. We'll see what this is. Lithium battery.
Nice.
Transformer. It's going to plug right in here.
So can you have the battery plugged in and it plugged into the wallet at the same time?
Yeah, that's what you do. You always have this. Basically what's going on is this this transformer is charging this battery.
Okay.
When you operate the chair, the battery's being used. When you stop using the chair, the transformer kicks in and charges the battery.
Ah,
So
nice.
we do like for you to try to charge this battery up, you know, overnight before you use the chair if you can.
Yeah.
Last thing you want to connect is this.
Original Thin Man, if you ever heard of him. Recliner part, man. She got another part. She's going to solve part. She done pulled out another part. Machine not too long ago. The one that's made out of carbon fiber. It weighs like 25, 30 pounds.
Okay.
There's one on each side.
Now let's get back to those features.
We really like that. This is in the brown, 100% American leather. This is real leather. It's not ground up leather with a coating over it. It's actual real leather. So real leather is going to be a lot breathable than a ground up leather with a coating, because you're never really sitting on leather when it's that ground up coating. I know that's Some people don't understand it. I just learned about real leather maybe 2 years ago. So it's really comfortable chair. Everywhere you feel is leather. Now watch this. You also have 2 open compartments. A wireless charging port, which they have improved it to be a lot better charging port with the wireless. And you got both of the USB hookups. You also have a non-spillable cup holder on the left side, and they just go right back in. What else you get is you have storage compartments for your remote. There's a lot of storage, and over here is your control for your speakers. Golly. Hang on, let me show you this.
Oh, when you're not next to me.
All right, let's stop it.
We have fun here, guys, but at Mobility Solutions, customers really do come first.
Compartments. So compartments on both sides to put your remote, your Bible, your gun, whatever it might be. There's a lot of compartments, and there's a deep pocket right here for magazines or just, I don't know, it's pretty deep. I'll measure this out, but it seems like you get a lot of stuff in there. And on this side, you have another spot for your phone, and then you have the speaker system. Bluetooth, you can set this up to your TV, your surround sound, so there's a lot of stuff. It will come with these cables that if you want to attach certain stuff, we're going to figure out what these cables actually do for the chair. Then they have the massage, just like the Ultra, but they've changed the buttons a little bit so it's inside so you're not touching them. This only comes in one size, and right now it only comes in this brown 100% American leather. It's also about to come in a black leather pretty soon. But it's got the Bluetooth speaker, so I'm gonna hit this.
I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours for bullshit pay, so I can sit out here and waste my life away, drive back home and drown my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to for people like me. Oh, it is living in the new world with a whole story.
All right, so we just showed you those the music going, and everyone, I don't really need the speakers in my chair. Well, you do. You really do. How can it benefit you? Well, if you're watching a football game or you're watching a movie and you don't want to wake anybody up, speakers are all right here. You don't have to have it blasting like I'm doing. And again, you have your headphone jack, you can put it right on. You have a big movie theater, or you're building a movie theater. I have people that buy recliners like this for their movie theater. This would be great because you could pair multiple of these chairs in your theater. And you have so many cool features where you're right here, or I want to adjust the lumbar in my back. I can just adjust it. I got a power pillow. I have a massage right here, right beside me. I have heat, 3 different heat settings, 3 different massage settings. I can recline this completely back. I can put my head almost to the ground and stretch my back out like one of those little teeter-totter things. And if my swelling in my feet, I also have tilt to bring the front of the chair up. This chair has everything you can think of, and it's made with 100% American leather everywhere you feel. It is just a really, really cool chair. It's something that you can be in for a long period of time. It's something when it's down, it looks like a normal recliner. It's actually a normal recliner, but it can lift you up just with this one push of a button. Well, the rocker switch, so pushing it forward. It can get you to a place to stand. So if you need help getting up, this has it. If you don't need help getting up, you just want speakers in the chair, it has it. You want a massage, it has it. It just has everything. I really think this is going to be a great chair for people. Now it comes in one size, so let's talk about that really quick. So from seat to floor height, from here to here, it's going to be 20.5 inches in height. Now the user height range that Pride is saying that it would work for is someone 5'5" to 6 foot. But just so you know, from the ground to the top of this is 20.5 inches. The seat depth's 21 inches. The seat width is 23 inches, and the back to top of seat is 26 inches. It also has the pocket coil springs in the seat, so it's very comfortable. And from the distance you need from the wall is 17 inches. Now, one thing we see a lot of people measuring is the overall width. It's 39.5 inches, and it can hold up to 400 pounds. It's a heavy chair. So if you got to see a little bit of us unboxing it, it's 232 pounds. This chair is heavy. That's all together. Now the back's heavy because it has the motors for the lumbar, the massage, a lot of stuff too. We have options for delivery. You can do a drop ship straight to you, which will be the fastest way to get this. We'll drop ship it straight to your house. Then you have to unbox it like we showed you. There's a couple of different ways of unboxing it. We just, first time unboxing, we felt that was going to be the best way, but everything's plug and play back there. So it's very simple, just a little bit of time because there's a lot of stuff this chair's offering. You can do what we call inside delivery. So what that's going to do is it's going to bring it inside your garage or out of the weather as long as it's a 0 threshold. And then we have our Premier white glove delivery. We'll deliver it right to your house, unbox it, set it up, and it's, yeah, that's probably the best way of doing it. But if you have someone, your grandson or a friend, that can help get this chair into your house, the cheapest and the fastest is our free drop ship that we offer to you. It's going to come with a 1-year in-home labor warranty from Pride, and you have option to get up to 3 years. So when you select a checkout, just select what you want. If you're looking for a new recliner, check out the brand new PLR5900, the VivaLift Premier, and get the music going because, oh, I do mention, let me mention this. It's got the magnet clip on the side, and you can hook this remote up to either side. So again, enjoy yourself. If you want to listen to some tunes, just kick it on. Just give us a call at 803-926-2224.
Make sure to watch our other videos in this series, where we discuss the family of VivaLift chairs, the benefits of the Premier, as well as how to pair your Bluetooth audio and the functions of the remote and massage and more. So like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.